I'm just starting. I just got in from a walk. It was a little longer than I thought. I was out for like half an hour. That's crazy. It's sheer madness. So I'm just launching the launcher, and I'm gonna go AFK for a few minutes, but I'll be back by like 5 or 10 minutes just to start up. So, be right back. Hey, I'm back. Um, I have to learn about how these virtual textures thing works, because it is a complex procedural layered material. I wonder if I can just convert those to... I'll look into this later. But this is what I'm going to do next. Inertia blending. And maybe blueprint linking, although that's going to be complex, taking apart my blueprints. animation blueprint to split it into two. But go to the bottom here. This is some new stuff here. Inertialization blending. Someone posted in the Discord, told me about this first. But it's a more performant option. So yeah, let's just do it. Maybe real quick, I'll just demonstrate. You can watch my last video if you want to see the day-night cycle currently in progress. One little poofy clouds over there are so distinct. Balance out the clouds a bit more. That's not bad. So. I mean, I think it's pretty straightforward. I think I already know what to do. Well, all the blend poses to change the transition types. Okay. Yeah, see, using the layers would be nice. So I can take all the combat stuff into one layer or whatever, and take all the underwater stuff into another layer. Maybe take all the sitting stuff, sitting in bed stuff into another layer, and then I can just kind of keep it a little simpler. That would be nice. So right now, there's a lot of these guys that I have to change. Notification. So the first thing we need to do is like here, just somewhere near the end, and inertialization. Boop. Okay. I mean, I think I already know everything else. Let me just go through this a little bit more. It'll take some finessing, but wish I could just like layered blend by bone doesn't seem to have it. Okay, I thought it did. Isn't that what they were using? Blend poses by bool. Okay. Config blend type transition type. So not the per bone, I guess. I'm using a lot of those. Blend. Float value. Oh, nothing there. Blend space player. Nope. Blend poses by bool. There we go, transition type. Inertialization. So I'm just going to put it on anywhere I can and just run around and see how things look. I may have to come through and fine tune like a bunch of specifics and go do some testing and stuff. But for now, we're just going to see if we get some improvement. Oh wait, bone doesn't do it. Bool. Bool. Player, bone, bool. don't know what other kind of blends there might be here. Here's one. Blend poses races. It's by an enumerator. I already got this one apparently. What? Maybe I just double clicked on the same one twice. This is exciting. I'm sure there's some way to like select all and or like batch edit or something, but maybe not. Like I don't know of one. I know you can batch edit like files, but these aren't files, they're nodes. Wait, well these, that's just a variable, right? Yeah, okay. Don't have to worry about those. So I have an annoying problem today is my back is feeling better, but my rib hurts on the right side and my left shoulder is recovering. But basically in order to pull one side, I have to pull the, like, hurt the other. It's really annoying. Like there's no way to just stretch out without pulling the other side. So I might disappear randomly, go do some yoga or something periodically, just to let you know. There's a lot of blended by fools here. Oh man, you guys are all really watching this, aren't you? It's exciting. But we shall see. We're like halfway through the list right now. And this is just the nodes. I also have to go... Selecting all of the little transition things should be easier. I could probably search for... I mean, I think I've only seen bool and enumerator, but I'm sure I may have just used some other random ones that I'm not familiar with or aware of off the top of my head. Inertialization. See all my graphs? There's so much graph. You don't even know. So much graph. Clicked on the wrong thing. Alright folks, this is all the work I got in me for today. I'm going to finish this up and then shut down this. This is arduous. Okay. Come on, Unreal, where's the checkbox that says convert all nodes to inertialization? Where is it? I'm sure you could probably do some sort of like blutility. I'm not familiar enough with them. It would probably be way better if you could do something like that. Like for each blend poses by bool node, change the setting. What's this going on here? Or state. Nope. Almost there. Watch, I'm gonna go in and it's just completely break. Like I should have made a backup first, because if this doesn't work well, I would have to go back through and figure out what each of the ones are and all their settings. Poses by chair types. That's an enumerator. Here's another enumerator, arm animations. Alright, good. Somebody stopped watching. I don't feel as guilty about inundating people with this stream anymore. Nothing to see here. Move along. I'm just kidding. It'll get exciting in a moment when we see how this looks. Blend. Just blend. Friendly blend node. Yeah, look at this. It's just sitting there, unused. Oh, it's the bottom of the list. Alright, and let's... Alright, good. I'm always like, I should have saved first. Okay, and then we're gonna go to this day machine. And just back out of any of these. There we go. Alright, now I want to select each of these little things. All of them. Okay, good. Control click works. All these transition nodes. I don't even connect it. Yeah, it's connected to something. Transition nodes everywhere. Oh, that's the state that it's in right now. Okay, that's why it's orange. I think I got all of them. Inertialization! Let's see how it looks. The jumping was buggy. Right, this is where I am. Not bad. Why do I feel like extra slow? Sliding now. I don't think it was sliding before. Definitely sliding. Huh. I wonder if it was just like that before and I just never... I mean, I remember adjusting stuff like that. Okay. Not bad. Whoa. Can't climb on solid surfaces. Or horizontal. Vertical? Vertical surfaces. Let's jump out here and see how things go. Let me climb. Let me climb! Yeah, there we go. Alright, not bad. I do have to fix the collisions for the trees, though. I think I need to make them more accurate. This is absurd, climbing through like an invisible hit box in the middle of the tree. Absurd, I tell you. Whoa. No, sir. Nope, that's wrong. Crap. Oh my god, I can't get out of climbing mode. Oh, ejecting from the horse did it. Huh. Yeah, it's a little, like, sudden. Oh, there it goes. Why does it look like sometimes it's blending and sometimes it's not? Yeah, like, now it's just snapping. Hmm. Man, there's some settings to fiss with. That sucks. And not necessarily any better performance. I wonder if these things are killing my performance. Is this guy open? Is that why? Is there anything open here? No. What else can I do? Wave? Hail. Dancing. Taunt. Oh, damn it. Nope. There we go. Crouching. Climbing. Probably should summon a wagon. Let's see. Yeah, just coming out of climbing mode in general just isn't working. Ah! Got stuck. Let's see. What? Wait, what? Oh, I was clicking on the wrong thing. That's that transition. Here's turning to climbing. There's no climbing to turning. Crouch turning to combat turning. Combat turning to crouch turning. 3 nodes coming here. Idle run to climbing. Strafing to climbing. And turning to climbing. How is there no exit from climbing nodes? What the hell happened here? What? Like, most of these should be two-way streets. Like, look, there's nothing coming out of riding horse. They're all arrows pointing to here. Riding horse to idle run. Okay, I have that. feel like there's no out here. That's absurd. I don't quite get how that could have happened in between all of this. It's absurd. Something somehow just deleted. Idle run to climbing, climbing to idle run. And then the crouching and standing is just like not transitioning. So let's see, crouch turning crouching from idle run. Bi-directional can go both. Oh, that's nice. I should just turn that on for all these things. Oh, that's a feature. Can go both directions. Let's do standard for crouching because that looked funky. I guess there's no inertia to blend into from. If you're just standing still, I guess. Not enough inertia. Thinking like maybe I was always jumping off the tree. Oh, see, it's fine. It just didn't have an exit from the node. Whoa. And that's still popping because of the camera. I wonder if I can like smoothly transition the crouching camera. It was also popping the animation sometimes, so I'm just gonna keep that. But I wanna kind of pet peeved about this. All right. I'll see you in like 20 minutes or so. You have. Just checking performance. I guess it's all right. Should make him hold that in the left hand so he can emote with his right hand properly.
I'm gonna play for you to...
Alright, quick note about the chair. Blah blah blah. Whoa, is he just... what's he doing? Okay. Standing chair will rotate. Access if movement keys pressed once set. That little thing to fix. And the crouching camera thing. I won't do anything about that right now. I doubt it. Because the crouching is just basically like activate crouch mode, and that's kind of built into the engine, which is like half height of the thing. What the oh, that's the interface, that's why. It's like, where'd my... crouch. It's probably on the third person blueprint, but I'm just gonna check the controller real quick. I forget. This is the problem with having various graphs and stuff. You can't just go where you know it is. I hate organization. I think it's on the third person blueprint. I think I recall. Goddamn organization, making everything all disorganized. On the event graph, check crouch, run. Yeah, crouching is on here. Swim up, jump. Wake up, crouch, collision. Crouch. And where's the timer? Crouch fix timer. On start crouch is crouched. Character movement wants to crouch. On start crouch. Half height adjustment. Okay. I wonder if I have which collision capsule. He's crouching, start walking the nose, crouching, stop walking, stop over crouching. Crouching, crouch hold down. Yeah, it's happening in the Unreal Engine thing. I wonder if there's crouch options here. Crouch held down is crouching, crouched eye height. See, that's the thing there. Camera. Crouched eye height. I could just not change that. Maybe in third person mode there's no crouched eye height? That would be fine, I think. Where are you? Camera, base eye height, and crouched eye height. So if I go to the camera controls, and hiding the bone is locally controlled. Okay, set crouch eye height. First person mode. It's gonna be the one that's default here, which is like, what was it, 32? Where are ya? Arg, 32, yeah. Right, just copy it. Okay. And here. Now the trick is gonna be if it automatically adjusts the crouched eye height when it gets changed. If it's like a dynamic thing, or if it just gets checked when you enter crouch. I have a feeling it just gets checked when you enter crouch, so what we might have to do is, if you switch to first person mode while crouched, I'll just say, is crouching, and then, I don't know, set camera. Oh, this might be tricky. Free Spirit does not inherit from third person boot. Class of Free Spirit would always fail. What? How is it not? Free Spirit. Parent class, third person. It does. Okay. Now it's happy. I had to open the Free Spirit just so that it could know that it inherits. Seems kind of strange, but okay. Nope, still warning me. It does. So it's still doing it. It didn't do it. Well, it could be that I'm putting it after this authority check. For whatever reason, it doesn't like that. Oh. This is for standing up though, isn't it? Oh, going to first person mode. Attach the camera to FPV cam. Well, the trick is that I want it to not happen at all on third person, so I guess that doesn't matter. Combat mode. False. See what people say about it. Height of the capsule should be changing when you want to change the height of the character. Oh. Timeline of alpha, then put it through a lerp.
Hey, how's it going? So, I had another look after mine wasn't acting the way I was expecting it to, after telling you I fixed it, because, well, rip me, I guess. And what I realised was that you were changing the relative position of the camera, you were changing the X value to kind of try and match, right? As you made the character shorter, you wanted the camera to move as well. But you don't actually need to do that because the camera is a child of the capsule. So as you change one, the other will go with it. So I just used the relative location and just pop that straight in. Because what I think was happening is as your capture was getting shorter, you would have to move this at a different rate, and there were just two things happening at once, and it was just not going very well. So that's why you were getting the judder, I think, because one was going one way and one going the other, and it just looked a bit funny. So yeah, I just popped the relative location in, changed my half-light over the timeline value, like your timeline value is 0, 0 values.
I can't unattach it from the capsule component.
It was the first time. That I was really scared. Shook with fear. If one thing, one atom had given way.
I think I can just delete these, these aren't going to do it. And actually, when I crouch...
I'll be at the bridge that links Earth to the heavens. You can stay here
I'm
alone.
going to have to do something here like twice, because if you switch out of camera mode while switching, you want the camera to go back to the lower one? Or maybe it'll do it automatically. It's a lot to keep track of. I wish I could just find an automatic way to do this. Maybe it's not worth fussing with for now. Kind of picky. I just want it to not crouch like the camera. I want the collision capsule too, but alright, well. Plus 32? And then when coming out of third person mode, no, just this. When basically switching crouched. Animation. This is first person camera. Put that back to 90. And make some more room here. Yeah. If crouched, this is going to FPV mode. If you're not crouched, well, actually, going to first person mode, either way, you want this to be there. Going out of first person mode, you want to check if crouched. I could just do select. Ah, no. Wrong wires. Okay. Crouched, true. False. And, like, what could happen here? Where are we? Low crouch. Crouch good. This needs to go back to 90. Uncrouch, 90. I think that might be it for this. What? Well, I'm gonna replace cast nodes eventually anyway, so I'll be able to fix that with like a gameplay tag instead. Let's see if the crouch, smooth crouch worked. I bet you it's all buggy. I don't think it's going down as far. I think I just have to fix the amount. Alright, if it's having it, to figure this out. Maybe I add 64, not 32. But I don't know. Oh, it's actually going up a little bit now. But that's the idea. It's funny, while I'm moving, it doesn't do that. And then once I let go, it kind of snaps back on. Pretty good. Just have to find the right number that looks best. I mean, unfortunately, math doesn't just work out easily. I would just guess 150. I wonder if I can figure it out. Like, it's at 90. Offset from the bottom. It gets halved. I guess it goes to 45. So maybe adding 90 to it. No, that doesn't work because then that would be 180. And that's too high. So adding 45. Maybe. Try 150 for now. If this is too high, I'll try adding 145, or just adding 45 to it instead of going to 150. So that'll be like 135. As opposed to adding 32. Still going up a bit. I'm guessing it's the adding 45 would mathematically make sense. Oh, basically. It goes down like couple units. Also, he's just snapping into it, unless Unless I have the mouse held down, then he's smooth. Try 130 for now, and I will adjust the blends again. Compiling the blueprint is a lot faster than it used to be. I have to say, they've really improved the editor. Like, I used to take like 3 minutes. I was like 10 seconds. So that's awesome. Way to go, Unreal. I love it. So I'm actually thinking maybe the crouch blend is messed up somehow. In and out of idle. Duration 0.2. 0.75 seems to be the standard. No, 0.2, 0.2. This is the one I just added. Duration was 0.75 to start. Seems strange. Point 2 just seems like way too short for anything. For any animation blend. I wonder why I would have done that. Still popping. Oh wait, there's a little bit. Oh, I think because I had the mouse. Whoa, you see how slow that was? Yeah, let's undo that. It's still popping in and out though. Crouching from idle run. The other ones seem to be fine. Just crouching from idle run was the problem. Essentially. Blend curve as well. What's custom is for transition interrupt. It's good here. For some reason in game it's just popping straight to it. Oh, it looks like he's animating now. It's very fast. That's slower when I have the camera held down. Actually, strafing. Also fast. I feel like I see the... No, sometimes it just snaps. I have the mouse button held down. If I let go... What the hell? Camera adjustment is pretty good. Still going down a little bit. It's a little bit higher. Did I reverse it the wrong way? Did I go from like 135 to 130 when I should have gone a little higher instead? It's okay for now. I would like this to be smooth though. Let's try that. Always reset on entry. Nope. How bizarre. Everything else is blending nicely. Jumping and crouching in midair. I feel like it's just popping immediately. There's no blend there. Transition rule sharing. Try this. Automatic rule. I wonder if it's just somewhere else that I'm ignoring. Maybe it's coming from strafing. I don't like see any options that would scream like something's wrong here. So I guess I have to ignore it for now. Not doing it at all now. What the fuck did I do? I have the mouse held down. Oh, the automatic rule thing. I messed it up. Alright. Wonder if there's anything else I should fix before I go towards the alpha content creation. These two things are pretty huge. I'll probably try and fix them before I do things. And the UI off tick. Nothing too many. Maybe the death animations. Something's wrong with that AI. Death animations. Why is this unsaved? Weird. It might have something to do with the LED thing. Taking out the current LOD. Not the word I want to look for. D0. Number of LEDs 1. Okay. I'll be back in a bit. I might have to do other stuff for the rest of the day. Take it easy today. Bad back day. But good news is, a couple days ago I felt great and I pulled a muscle because I felt great and I was too active. But I know it's possible. Yeah, I need to do some stuff. I need to rest. Maybe clean some house or something like that. Hit me up on Discord. At least today we did the inertialization of animations. And caught couple little things to fix later on. But yeah, so that'll be it for now. Sorry. Take it easy. I'll catch you later.